Hello, my name is Mark John and I want to welcome you to Bethel Farm and Herbs. And today we'll be talking about aquaponics and also microponics. But before we do that, I just want to demonstrate to you what we'll be doing next about our fish pond and how amazing these fish are. We'll be having a good discussion about these fishes, and they are all here because the purpose for the aquaponics is to use this fish to grow your own plants without any soil. So that is the reason we're here, and I'm just at the fish pond. Please join me as we go to our aquaponics section. Thank you.
It here is our aquaponics. We do aquaponics. Aquaponics is whereby you use fish to grow your plants. So in this place here, this is the setup of the aquaponics. And if you look, this aquaponics, we set it up. This is the pond for the fish. From this pond here, we have a submersive pump that takes it down to the grow bed, which is the filter that goes through the grow bed. And from the grow bed, it goes through a filtration level, and it goes through the PVC pipes. From the PVC pipe, it goes through in cycle, which the water recycle and goes back to the fish pond as a fresh water which contains oxygen. This process helps us to grow our plant with less chemical and more organic in nature and with less diseases. And not only aquaponics, we do what we call microponics too. In this section we have our microponics, in which the chicken are up and also the fish are down, whereby the fish benefits from the chicken droppings. From the chicken droppings down to the fish pond, in which the fish release ammonia, and the solid base is transferred with the submersive pump to the grow beds. And from the grow beds, it moves from the grow beds, and the grow beds, the water goes through a filtration level, in which it goes through the siphon and back to the fish pond as a fresh water that produces oxygen for the fish. And if you look at over there, the first filter over here is the mechanical filter, in which the water goes through. From the mechanical filter, it goes to the biological filter. In this filter here, this is where the bacteria are formed, in which is passed to the PVC pipe that enables the plant to grow very well. So this is the process. We call it the ICPF method, whereby you integrate both chicken, plant and fish together, in which they all benefit. It's a recycle method of farming. So in this ecosystem that we have here, everything benefits from one another, and with this little space you can be able to grow a lot of leafy vegetables that you can ever imagine.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Please don't forget to click on the notification button. Whenever we upload videos, you will be notified.